Picture this. You walk into your classroom and your leafy class plant waves a sticky note at you. But instead of reminding you to water it, your plant asks, "Sir, should I reschedule your parent-teacher conference to avoid your grading marathon?" Weird, right? Hi, I'm Sir Fonce. While your plant won't start managing your calendar, the chaos of teaching often makes us wish for that kind of magical help. That's why I believe the smartest teachers don't just work hard, they work smart with the right tech. Enter Timely AI, a powerful calendar tool that goes beyond basic scheduling. Timely automatically tracks your activities, lesson planning, grading, meetings, without manual input. Its AI suggests optimal times for tasks, color codes, events, and even sends gentle reminders to avoid burnout. Free users get automated time tracking and smart scheduling, while the paid plan unlocks deep analytics and team collaboration. Imagine, your screen fills with animated blocks as Timely sorts your week. No more double bookings or forgotten prep. For educators juggling a million things, Timely turns endless to-do lists into a calm, organized flow. If you want to reclaim your time and sanity, Timely is your new best friend. Like, subscribe, and follow at 21st Gen EdTech Tools for more smart tools that make teaching life easier.